Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll walk through how to effectively manage change requests within Asana, your ultimate guide for 2025. To start, we'll create a project specifically for managing change requests. Navigate to the sidebar, click the plus button, and select Project. Name it something like Change Requests. This step is crucial because it helps us keep all our change requests in one dedicated place, ensuring we never miss or overlook any. Now that we've done that, let's create a custom field. This allows us to track the status of each change request. Click on the Fields button, then Add Field. Choose Dropdown, then add options like New, In Progress, Completed, and Denied. The reason we do this is to keep our change requests organized and easily trackable at a glance. With our custom field set up, we're ready to start creating tasks for each change request. Click the plus Add Task button, name the task with the change request, and assign it to the responsible person. This helps us because it ensures each change request has a clear owner and accountability is established. Next up, we're going to add our custom field to the task. Click on the task, navigate to the Fields section, and select our custom field from the drop-down menu. Then choose the appropriate status. Let me explain why this matters. It allows us to instantly see the status of the change request without having to open the task, maximizing efficiency. Lastly, let's set due dates for each task. Click on the task, select the Due Date field, and choose the appropriate date. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana will now send reminders as the due date approaches, ensuring the change requests are actioned in a timely manner. And there you have it. You've just learned how to manage change requests within Asana, a process that will significantly streamline your workflow and ensure no request falls through the cracks. Thanks for joining us today, and remember to stay organized and on top of your tasks with Asana.